the test. Can we get the Skiver to work? Can we put that new motor to work? We'll start by removing the old motor. Grandpa here in the garage, still grumpy. If you've watched my last video, you know why I'm grumpy. I had an incident with FedEx and the shipment of a motor for my Skiver. So now we'll start by removing the old motor that was not good enough. It was not strong enough. So I'm hoping that this one is strong enough and good enough, and that I can align things. This was a shit mix that I tried. It gave me some result, but not good enough. So let's test it again. I'll show you what I'm up to. So this is the old motor mixed on here in what we would call in Icelandic shit mix. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove it and put the new one in place, and then we'll test whether it's gonna work or not. So how is this? We are probably gonna need some tools, I think. This screwdriver should help us out here. See, this was as loose as it can be. Gone. Now we need to take the motor off. So we'll use this one. Okay, it's gonna be a pain. There it goes. One down, one to go. One is being difficult. We haven't given up on life yet, so we'll see what happens. I don't think it's gonna kill us. Okay, this one gone. Now for these. One more and one to go. Okay, so far so good. Small crowbar, I think. You think this is gonna kill us? I don't know. I don't think so. So, now we have to figure out, how do we assemble the rest of it? Now I think we can safely unplug that. If you watched my last video, you saw what happened. But now I've marked things up, so I think we are safe in removing this. We'll see. And this is the broken part. We're gonna take that off now. Okay. It's not fixed. Never lend things away from you. That means you will be losing your equipment. Now I need some equipment that I should have, but I don't have them here. And there's only one reason to that. That is because I did lend them away. People tend not to return things, even though they claim that they are your friend. They don't return things. That's just the way it is. Okay. So now we are closer to what we need and want. Nope, we are not gonna bolt it through. Sometimes it's good to have like a variety box where you throw all the loose screws, plenty of them at my home. And let's see, do they fit? Nope. Yeah, I will make them fit, but they're a little bit too long. So we'll probably need a 15. No, it's 17. Okay. So if we can, that would be fantastic if we can use this one. Yes. Nope. We actually can not. We need it here. That means we need extra tools. And we need some drill. Let's see. That was just what we needed. Exactly what we wanted. These router bits or drills, tell you about them later. Where do you think I got them? Of course from China. But they are good. Can vouch for them. Does it fit? No, I don't think so. Would be better to have a washer, but can we squeeze it on? No. We'll just go to the extra box and we'll find a washer, of course. It's not grabbing on. Now it should grab onto the old table. Otherwise, I have to build a new table. This is really annoying me right now. Okay. Go figure. Doesn't fit. I'll have to find some new. Okay, dokie. We found another one. We'll have to make that one fit. Hope it's strong enough. It's a little bit too small, but we'll see. And then we can use these washers. Yeah. This is the clumsiest there could be in this world. How can one person be so clumsy? Okay. Loosen it up a little bit again. This is close to being perfect, like that. So we need a new one somewhere around here. We'll use this one. This is pretty neat, I think. Okay. This is the problem I thought I would have. There is a failure to communicate. We have to move it like that. Exactly like that. It's gonna be this kind of fun. It's sitting relatively straight, like that. What we have here 10 millimeters, okay. And this is 8. We go for 8.5. That's better. If it's not one problem, then it's the other. Okay, we got that one there through. Oh, this is not good. I don't know how I'm going to do that. My guess is that I will end up building a new table. I'll have to, whether I like it or not. Okie dokie, where are we in this? Well, looks like it's not gonna kill us. But it's not over yet. Just about here it should be. And my big fear was right. Like that. Okay. Whoa, I thought for a while it was gonna kill me. But no, somehow we managed to do this. Let's see what's next. Move all this junk away. Turn it around. That's the thing when you get old equipment. Things are strange. This might become tricky, but we'll see. The control box itself, we need that. We want that here. We don't know, need hefty or heavy screws for that. What do we have here in our fine box? We have these. Got two of these. As I say, how clumsy can one person be? So far, so good. Now we have to connect again and hope we do it right this time so we don't blow out all the fuses of the house again. And now we have to get this inside here. Can we? This is so old. This one is a good deal bit better. I had a problem with this one always falling out. This one is fastened with an old nail, old rusty nail. I don't know who did that. That was certainly not me. Somebody needed to split this in here. Big question is, will it fit? No, probably not. That's not a good thing. This is 6, and this is 6. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can get this without hurting ourselves. That was enough. And this goes like that into here. This is not gonna work, never gonna work. Okay, we've got that temporarily fastened. We have to look at this. This is not gonna work this way. Can we? Okay. If we can actually move it to this side. That is brilliant. That is gonna help us a lot. Okay. A little bit better. Let's see. One more thing that we need to do. We dismantled the belt. We got the belt on, it's running. Nothing happens. What is going on here? you see that? Okay. So far so good. Now we have to figure out how we're going to get this one to go down too. That is going to, because we have this problem here. This here needs to go down and everything works. This needs to go that way. Got this one here. So we need to be able to get this one here to go down with it, because if that happens, everything turns, the machine works. Okay. That means we have to think. Let's take a break.